Welcome to Crypto Miner Consultations, Hosting, and Repairs. And today we're going to go over how to test diode mode. So we set our multimeter, make sure that you see the diode. And with nothing plugged in, I already know that chip 59 is bad. I already replaced chip 9. We'll go to chip 58, start on clock. Co. Reset. Now let's go to chip 59. Co is bad. Reading 0. Else seems to check out. Now we'll go ahead and put it on the tester. Hold on a second. Read 0 ASIC.